Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question. AB is equal to 10, BC is 20, CA is 30 and we need to find the value of A plus B plus C. So whenever we have this type of question, how do we proceed? We will try to find the value of A, B and C. So first step, what can I do? I have three equations. Suppose I say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. What will I do? I will multiply equations 1, 2 and 3. Okay, what will I get? If I multiply, left side will become AB multiply BC multiply CA and right hand side will become 10 multiply 20 multiply 30. So what will I get now? Here we have A and A, it will become A square, B and B will become B square, C and C will become C square. And on the right hand side I have 2 3s are 6 and 3 zeros, 6,000, right? So what will I do after this? I will take square root both sides. Square root both sides. So this will become under root of A square, B square, C square and this will become under root of 6,000, right? After this, what will I get? This is A square, B square, C square raised to power 1 by 2. And this is 2 times 3 times 2 times 5 times, you can say 100. Right? What did I do here? 60. I brought 60 into this. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. Right? So here on the left hand side, it will become ABC whole square raised to power 1 by 2. And on the right hand side, what will I get? This 2 and 2 is 2 times. When it will come out of square root, it will become 2. And when this 100 will come out of square root, it will become 10, right? And inside the square root, I have 3 times 5, that is 15. Okay, here these powers will cancel out. So left hand side is ABC and right hand side is 20 root 15. Now I have this as equation number 4. Okay, so what is the next step now? Now I can see, I will write all three equations here. AB is 10, BC is 20 and CA is 30. So if I divide equation 4 by equation 1, what will I get then? ABC divided by AB. I will divide left hand side by left hand side. So it is ABC by AB and right hand side is 20 root 15 by 10, right? Which implies A and B cancelled out, which implies C is equal to 2 root 15 because 10 times 2 is 20, right? So C is equal to 2 root 15, right? After this, I will do, what will I do? Divide equation 4 by equation 2 now. Okay, so ABC by BC is equal to 20 root 15 by 20, right? So B and C cancelled out, 20 and 20 cancelled out. What do I get here now? I get A is equal to under root of 15, right? So now I have A and C. Finally, the last step, what will I do? I will divide equation 4 by equation 3 What is third equation? CA is equal to 30. So I get ABC by CA is equal to 20 root 15 by 30, right? So C and A cancelled out, 0 and 0 cancelled out. What do I get now? This implies B is equal to 2 by 3 under root of 15. So now I have A plus B plus C. So what will I do? A plus B plus C. What is A? A is under root 15. What is B? B is 2 by 3 under root 15. And what is C? C is 2 under root 15, right? What will I do? I will take under root 15 common. So here I have 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 2, right? So under root 15, now this 1 plus 2 will become 3, 3 plus 2 by 3, and when I solve this, it will become, I will make the denominator same. So 3 plus 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2, 11, 11 by 3. So our answer is 11 by 3 under root 15. So if you understood this, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.